guys, welcome back to Using DIY. My name is Matilda and today we're unboxing this Echo.Kids Alexa. I've got an old Echo Dot here that doesn't very work properly, so we bought a new one. We're going to unbox it and set it all up now. It's really cool. I like the colour and the owl print on it. Let's go over to my dressing table and set it up. This is my dressing table. We're going to put it right up here. Let's plug it in and sort it out. Right, it's powered up now.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Hallo, dein Gerät kann jetzt eingerichtet werden. Lade dazu die Alexa-App runter und folge den Anweisungen. Bonjour, votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration.
When my dad bought it me, it was pre-configured. It's connected to the Wi-Fi on its own. We need to go into the Alexa app to finish.
Hello. To learn more about all the things we can do together, just say, Alexa, open Amazon Kids.
Alexa, open Amazon Kids.
Hi. There's so much we can do together. Anytime you're looking for something new, I can help you find it. To get started, do you want skills? Or stories? Or music?
Music.
Okay. I hope this gets your body moving. Here's a playlist you might like. Disney sad songs on Amazon Music. Here's something different to try. Here's something fun. I can play lots of songs and radio stations. Try saying, Alexa, play music.
Alexa, play music.
Okay, here's a preview of the song. Try saying, Alexa, I want to listen to a story.
Alexa, I want to listen to a story.
Getting a short clip of Benita. Benita's favorite lesson at school was mathematics. Solving a ridiculously fiendish equation. Puzzling over a confusing... Anytime you want to explore more things to do, just say, Alexa, open Amazon Kids.
There's a mute microphone. There's volume down button. And there's a volume up button. And there's this one if you don't want to say Alexa. Hello.
Ahoy there.
I really like the new Echo Dot. It's better than my old one, and I can't wait to start using it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. Please subscribe to Using DIY. See you in the next one. Bye!